Hello everyone, my name is Akash Tyagi. I'm your physics expert on this channel, Unacademy J English. So, like many students ask me which book we need to follow, what should be the strategy, what should be the hack to crack JEE Mains and Advanced. So we'll separate these two parts. First we'll talk about JEE Mains and then we'll talk about JEE Advanced. We'll crack this code in very simple way. Obviously, you need to put more effort. I'm not going to tell you need to put less effort or the minimum effort because this is a myth here. Like you need to understand in JEE Mains is actually a systematic study that you need to follow. Obviously, you need to focus on some chapter. Like this year in JEE Advanced, there are so many questions from current electricity, electrostatics, wave optics, SHM, mechanics is everywhere. So obviously, you need to focus on those chapters also. But again, when we talk about JEE Mains, there are a few parts in the physics where the chapters are coming with extensive amount of marks. Like we'll talk about current electricity, we'll talk about like modern physics. Modern physics is always like coming for 20 marks on an average from the last 5 years, and the question pattern is almost 80% is similar, this almost same you can say. So first you need to understand which strategy you need to follow on the first day. If on the first day if you crack, then obviously when I'm going to teach, I'm going to focus on those chapters more. I'm going to like devote, or you can dedicate more time there. You need to also dedicate and devote more time there so that we can actually crack JEE Mains examination. And it's a very easy strategy, okay? We need to follow. I'm not going to give you a lot of booster of motivation into your body. We need to be very much simple, analytical, strategic, on always on data, because data never lie. Data will give you better understanding how to crack anything. Okay, in competitive examination, like I cracked almost like all Indian examination, competitive examination. I always first study the examination, what is the examination is demanding. According to that, I need to prepare my strategy. That's it. Then I can clear any examination. Even I cracked UPSC also in that way. We'll talk about physics. I just put the recent data, but it's not about only the recent data. I'm talking about in a very major part, like where the physics is lying. Like if you talk about the unit, there are so many units are there. You get 25 unit on an average. Some people will give you 19 unit, some people 25 unit. If you divide, it become 25. If you compress, it become 19. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. We need to understand the topics. And here, all the marks are given. From the chapter, like how many marks in the first shift and second shift of the January and April, average marks, because in each paper the marks will be different, difficulty level will be different. These are the chapter. Okay, I am just showing you where we need to focus, like where I can find the good marks, like kinematics in vector 1D 2D. If you combine, it become kinematics. S20 and 22 means it's a very good chapter, it's a very important chapter. And the best part is I am also taking one shot on this chapter like in coming week only. So be ready because I'm in one shot only. I'll explain all the concept, and one special free class I'm going to clear all the doubts of any doubt. Whatever the doubt you want to ask from kinematics, you can ask me. Like I am trying to give all the feelings there. But the concept is kinematics is very interesting. If you understood kinematics, then you can easily solve the Newton laws of motion problem, the friction problem, the work energy power theorem, the gravitational problem. Kinematics plays a most important role, because if you understood vector, if you understood how the any object is moving in plane or in a space with respect to time and their change in the space, that's it. If you put mass, it becomes kinetics. And kinetics is part of Newton's laws of motion. When you put the body, that's it, forces will come. See, if you know the acceleration of any body, if you multiply the mass, you will get the force. If you know the velocity of the body, if you multiply the mass, you will get the momentum. And mass is what? Mass is a scalar unit. Mass is just like anything, any mass will be there. It's a scalar unit. To multiply 5 kg, 10 kg, 50 kg, it become it's become joke. You can easily solve those problems. So I can assure you, if you know the kinematics, you can finish this chapter also. You will get 30-35 marks very easily. See, this is the power of the physics. You need to strategically very good. Again, when we talk about in the next slide, there are these chapters. You can take the screenshot, but don't worry, I'll give you the whole planner on our Telegram group, and Telegram group link is in the books also, reference book, notes, the DPP, the solution of the DPP, answer key, everything will be given on the Telegram group and also on the Unacademy app. Just download the Unacademy app, you will get everything. There I am going to publish every week some important part. This also, this slide also, don't worry, you just need to understand. There are again many chapters from 11th and from 12th. Like if you talk about electrostatic from this part, like till 13, there's a 11th physics is there. You need to first start from the NCERT, complete the NCERT. Then if you are preparing for mains only, then you must have one book which is from DC Pandey, all the objective questions book for JEE mains and advanced also. But if you want to increase your level in all those chapters, like from this part, from 1st to 13, if you want to increase the level, then there is a concept of physics volume 1 by S.C. Verma. I am going to solve good question from that part which is more relevant for JEE advanced and JEE mains. But advanced I am going to put separate because some people want to prepare for advanced, they need to get more knowledge. Even I prefer, even I suggest everyone should follow the JEE advanced pattern so that the JEE mains question become so easy. See, I'll tell you very important part, very important part. There is no short trick, there is no shortcut, there is no short note. It become eventually if you start following the procedure. If you solve like 10 question on one topic, like suppose kinematics 1D problem, if I solve 10 question, then the 11th question I am solving very fast because I know in middle some parts are or some steps are there which is not required. But to reach there, you need to solve 10 question first. You need to understand that concept well, which is by guarantee, don't worry. So from electrostatic, capacitor, current, electricity, magnetic effect, alternating current, EM waves, this is the 12th part where you find current, electricity, magnetic effect and electrostatic are the utmost important. In the JEE advanced also this year, the maximum marks is coming from electrostatic, current, electricity and magnetic effect, very high amount. But in magnetic effect and electrostatic also some problem which is connected to mechanics, means 11th class. So that's why advanced is slightly tough because they combine the concept from 11th and 12th and they create very good new question which will solve, don't worry about that. But yes, there is a very important part that you need to concept, like this combined together is basically your modern physics. See the modern physics value on an average, if you put like 25 or 10 or 10, like it's become 40-45 marks, which is very important. Again here there is a very less variation, very less variation. Okay, in my short also I already told you 6 chapter that can give you 80 marks in JEE mains. That can give you 80 marks if you are 100% accurate. Obviously you are not going to be 100% accurate, that's why we need to follow more chapter, we need to focus on more chapter. But there the question will be very simple. But if you focus more on these 6 chapter, you will easily crack JEE mains with 99 percentile and more. And for advanced it become your major platform. You can actually, from that platform you can actually excel. Like let's talk about most important chapter. Okay, in current, when we talk about current electricity, current electricity is one of the most important chapter. When we talk about 2021, 22, 23, you can find a lot of combined total number of question. Obviously in one paper you will get less, but like in 26, 22nd, 24th shift, if you combine this many questions are there, means electricity, modern physics which is atomic, nuclear and dual nature, very important, electrostatic and capacitor, very important. I am combining KTC and thermodynamics. It's a very easy chapter. You'll love this chapter, don't worry, I am in love with physics, so I know this is my one of the strength, and this is very important, very easy. You don't need to remember any kind of formula, everything will be given in the question. You need to just solve, you need to just pick the words, correct word, you can solve the problem. That's the beauty of the physics, you don't need to remember anything. Magnetic effect of current and earth magnetism, if you combine, again huge amount of question. Kinematics is one of my favorite, one shot is also coming, just need to follow. You can solve every problem from past 10 years, any problem, you will not find any difficulty. Just need to follow my lectures, NCERT first you need to complete, then go for S.C. Verma and DC Pandey, that's it. Okay, or you can leave that. If you want more question, then you can follow. I'll give you all the questions every day and monthly and test also. And then optics, very important, gravitational, very important, SHM wave, very important. See the number of question, EM and AC, very important. So these are the most important chapter. So if you want to crack only 40 to 45, 50 marks, means 90 percentile, more than 90 percentile, these are the six chapters that you need to follow. That's it. If you follow this, on an average, you'll get reached to 55 to 60 marks very easily. But if you are 100% accurate, you can reach to 80 marks. But if you add few more chapter, like still 6, the same list is there. But if you add optics, electrostatic capacitor, SHM and EM, you can easily get to more than 80 marks with only 90% accuracy. Means obviously 10% question that you are going to attempt and will be wrong, negative mark will be given, but no worries, because we already strategically we create that. If we focus on these only 8 chapter, only 10 chapter completely dedicatedly, we can very easily get more than 80 marks. So that is going to be our strategy. Okay, that is our strategy. And for further strategy, for further work, you need to follow me on this channel continuously. Will practice. See, in physics, what is the 3 element? Understand. The 3 elements are, one is concept, one is theory, and one is you can say laws or formulas. Laws you can say better. The concept, theory and laws, if you combine together, you need to understand only the application of these things. If you know the application, you can crack any examination, first thing. But in physics, the best part is you don't need to remember anything. Everything will be so natural from your hand, like you can write all, like whatever the necessary formulas are there. Laws, like you can feel everywhere. The mathematics part is my, my genre also, you can say. I used to do codings on CFDs. I create codes on CFDs, on like even data structure also, data science, big data science. I'll give you that gist also. But the mathematics part in physics, just you don't need to worry. If you are preparing for JEE, your mathematics should be good, and that's my guarantee for the physics part. I'll give you the feeling of that mathematics in physics. That's it. That's my you can say responsibility. Apart from that, they are very good teacher of the mathematics. They'll give you the understanding of the mathematics in this domain. Don't worry about that. But in physics, whatever the mathematics is needed, required, I am like your, you can say, go to call. Anytime you call me, or you can, like I'll put a lot of special classes where you can interact with me one-on-one. We can discuss your problem. Wherever the needed problem is there, I'll put the poll, like where the mathematics part is according to the physics which is needed. I'll give you the extra class. If any physics concept is weak, I'll give you the extra class. Don't worry about it. But the system, the planner we need to follow, so that we can complete our syllabus maximum by November, because in November the notification will be there. We need to must be prepared for the January attempt very well, and for April and the advanced part will take the another level. Apart from one shot, we need to focus on few chapter which we already shown. Okay, till then, thank you. And if you want any reference book, and if you have any doubt, if you want any help, just follow our Telegram link which is in the channel description. Just go there. Till then, take care. Bye bye.